Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will study about the built-in functions that are present for dictionaries in Python. So the first function is the length function. The length function has been explained in the case of strings and tuples and lists also. So it performs the same function here as well. It returns the number of items that are present in a particular dictionary or the number of key value pairs that are present in the dictionary that is passed as an argument to this length function. So if you specify a statement like this, length of dictionary 1, where dictionary 1 has been initialized like this, has been defined like this, then you will get the return value as 4 because there are 4 items that are present in this dictionary. So the length of the dictionary is the number of items or key value pairs present in it. The second built-in function is the DICT, dictionary function itself. So this function will create either an empty dictionary or it will create a dictionary and also assign, also initialize it with the key value pairs that have been passed to this dictionary function as an argument. So to initialize the dictionary with some key value pairs, you first need to create a list such that each element of that list is a tuple of a key and a value. Okay, so the argument to this dictionary function is a list such that the list consists of key value pairs specified in the form of tuples. Okay, so here we have a list named pair 1 and it contains 4 tuples as its elements. Each tuple has 2 values, one is the key and the other is the value corresponding to that key for the dictionary. So when you specify a statement like this, dictionary 1 equal to DICT and in brackets you pass the pair 1 list, then you get a new dictionary. So it is a dictionary because it is enclosed in curly brackets and each tuple now becomes an item in the dictionary. Okay. The next function is the keys function. So as you can make out, the keys function returns all the values, all the keys that are present in the dictionary. So if you have this dictionary 1 and you call the keys function on it, you will have a list specifying all the keys that are present in the dictionary. So all the 4 keys have been returned as a list. Okay, so keep in mind the return value is a list. Now the next function is the values function. This also returns a list and this list will contain all the values associated with the keys present in the dictionary. So now we'll get a list of all the values. So this is 95, 89, 92 and 85. Okay. Now if you want to retrieve the key value pair, then you use the function items. We have also described this function in the previous video. So this particular function will return a list of tuples such that each tuple will contain the key and its corresponding value. Okay, so when you have a dictionary named DICT1 and you call the function items on it, it returns a list. So how you know it is a list? Because it is enclosed in the square brackets and then each element is in this list is a tuple containing a key value pair. Okay. Now coming to the next function, which is the get built-in function for dictionary. So this function is similar to accessing a value using keys in a dictionary, but the only difference is that even if the key value, so the key that you specified in this get function does not exist in a dictionary, then error will not be thrown, the return value will be none. Okay. So if you simply write the name of the dictionary and in square brackets you specify an invalid key for that dictionary, you will get a key error as we studied in the introduction to dictionaries video. Okay, but now if you specify something like this, name of the dictionary dot get and then as an argument to the get function you specify an invalid key, the return value will be none and not an error. So if you specify a valid key, the corresponding value will be returned. Okay. Next is the update function. The update function is used to add new key value pairs to the existing dictionary. So what you do, you call the update function on the existing dictionary and you pass to this function another dictionary as an argument. So the new dictionary that is passed as an argument, all the key value pairs present in that dictionary will become the elements or the items of the existing dictionary. So the existing dictionary DICT1 consisted of 4 elements initially, and then after executing this update statement, it now consists of 6 elements, and the new element Sohan :79 and Geeta :89. These 2 new items have been appended or added and the dictionary has been updated. The next is the delete function. So the delete built-in function can be used in 2 ways. It can either be used to delete an item or it can be used to delete the dictionary itself. So when you have to delete an item, you specify the delete keyword, you write the name of the dictionary, and in square brackets you specify the key of the item that you want to delete. So in this case, if the dictionary consists of 4 elements and one of the items is Ram :89, that means the key for this item is Ram and the corresponding value is 89, then when you specify this delete statement and execute it, sorry, and when you execute this statement, the dictionary will be updated and now it will only contain 3 items. The item having Ram as its key will be deleted. Okay. Now, if you want to delete the entire dictionary, then you just specify delete and the name of the dictionary. Okay. So this will give you, this will directly give you an empty dictionary. The dictionary will no longer exist. Okay. Sorry, the last built-in function is the clear function. The clear function will remove all the key value pairs or all the items from the dictionary and return you the empty dictionary. So I think all these functions, built-in functions available for dictionaries are very useful. I hope you can use them if you have understood their functionalities. If you have any doubt, let us know in the comment section. And till we meet in the next video for back exercises, find your exam.